Alright, yo, we're going on a boat today with the fam. Porgy fishing. It's beautiful out here today. We're gonna have a good time. So, alright, so
Mattel, do you
we got
bring this $6?
Puti. What Puti? We got my brother Joe.
Holla at your boy.
We got Jalen hiding behind the ladder. We got my sister. I got my niece. My other sister, bougie face. Give my money.
You
We got Jeremiah.
Stop!
Giselle. Jaden.
The best for last.
And Brittany.
Look, wait.
Alright, let's get this. Bring it up. Up.
Oh, hey, no running.
Hey, Jerry, grab a bucket.
Wait. Oh my God.
The worms, get the worms.
I got one too.
Yeah, my son.
Good job, little man.
Come on, get the bucket, bro. Oh, sorry about that. Jerry, Giselle, come over here. Put it down on the floor. That's a nice one too. Watch out the hooks, okay, mama? Watch out the hooks, right there.
I told you.
Come on. Come on, hold it.
Hold it.
All right, well.
You can put it on the hook.
Huh?
Joe, can you help him out, please, with the picture? Maybe put it on the hook for him. Got it.
I told you.
Right. Come on, just.
Help me out.
He's gonna put on the hook and then you can take a picture with it, okay? Just hold the rod. Come on, just hold the rod. Don't be scared. Come, Jerry, just grab the rod. Grab the rod. Don't be a punk.
You need proof. Just grab the line.
Just grab the line. Come on.
I know what.
Come on, I'll hold it with you. Come on.
I gotta get a picture for the
There you
Facebook.
go.
Come on. Look up. Good job.
Good job.
It's okay. Yeah. Cynthia, grab it. Oh, I thought she was gonna grab everything. What happened? I think that's 9 inches.
That was the juicy one?
Because it's called fishing, not catching, mama. All right. Reel it in, mama. Reel it in. Ah, do you? You feel it? Is it still fighting?
Oh my gosh.
Come on, girl.
I got it.
All right, lift it up. Yeah, bro. It fell. Don't keep reeling.
I hate every person.
You gotta lift it up, mama.
Daddy, yours is too close to mine.
I know.
Wow. Oh my gosh, Puti.
You almost had it.
He ate both my bait. Seriously? Yes, he ate both.
Right.
Hold on.
B, grab it from under, and just take the hook out. Right there, grab it. Hold it tight and take the hook out.
He's helping me with my crap.
There you go.
There you go. Yeah, B.
Yeah, pretty.
Put it in.
She's gonna frame it later because she got gloves on. Think about work.
Got an excuse for everything.
Yeah.
Got an excuse for everything.
2, she got 2.
Go Puti! Go Puti!
Hold it.
That's a shorty, right?
That was good.
That was good?
Good, yeah. They only have to be 9 inches.
I'm down, Phil.
Mama, put it there. Good job, honey. Go, put it in. Bring it here. There we go. Now you untangle. Now you do the untangle.
Where's my picture?
It's slippery, so you gotta grab it.
Hold on, Britt.
No, there's a spine under there.
I want to get out.
It spines you, right?
Yeah. Where? Like this?
Hold it here. Tight.
Jerry got one.
And hold. Jerry again?
Yeah, but we can't get this. I'm stuck.
B. Alright, put it. Here, hold it. Another one, Jerry?
Grandma has a nice one.
Nice. Come on, go next to it. That's another big one. Damn.
What did you get?
That's a mackerel. Come on.
What did you get? I want to
Stick it out towards me. No,
No, like outwards. No, outwards, that way.
Yeah, it'll seem larger.
Yeah.
Oh man, perfect.
Throw it in there, yeah. Throw it in there.
Your eyes are so jealous.
I know, I haven't caught nothing yet. My shit's still there. Not yet. Hey, I don't care. The kids catch it. I don't care.
I took my son fishing Monday. I wanted to fish. I rigged myself up, then I put my rod down.
Yeah.
That was it.
That's it. That's why I've been here for mad long or nothing. Not a fucking bite. Go, pull the. Up and up. Stop reeling. Bring it on the boat.
I got a 3.
Bring it on the boat. Okay.
I don't know.
Let the line out.
What do you mean?
Yeah. Click it down. There you go. Now click it back. Boy, hold that. Since you got the lucky touch, can't get nothing.
Yo, who's cooking tonight?
Me. I think you might get a fish then. Well, you know, my fish.
So cheers. To here, right here.
Oh, to the camera. What you want?
She got 3. You wanna hold it?
Yeah, let me hold it.
Live.
Squeeze it, mama. Squeeze it.
I'm squeezing it.
No, not the top. Squeeze it on the bottom.
I can't do that. And whoever's
I told you, squeeze it.
and he's already down.
There you go.
Okay. Yeah.
Whoa. There you go. Right in the water. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Keep reeling.
Keep going.
There we go. Lift it up. Put it on the boat. There we go. Keep it on the boat.
I got one after 5 years.
After 5 years? Oh, you've been fishing for 5 years?
Guys, before we go any further, how you want your fish cleaned? Just let me know now. Okay, you want it filleted or you want it scaled and gutted?
Scale and gun it.
Scale and gutted.
Top is spiky, okay? So just grab it from the bottom tight. There you go. Look at the camera. Yeah. It's Jalen. Go, mama. You got it, mama.
Stop. Pick it up.
Stop. Lift it up, mom.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
Jeez.
Gonna grab it?
Yeah.
No. Put it in the holder, mama.
Okay, so how do I hold it?
Under.
Needs more bait.
Under, like that.
Hold on. Move your fingers down a little bit.
Right there. Oh, almost off the boat.
Daddy, I think I got something.
Real puppy.
He wants to hold it.
Yes. Real.
Oh, good job.
All right, that's it. Don't reel. Stop reeling.
I got another one.
Good job.
Look at me, puppy.
I'm trying to hold it.
All right, Jerry. Put it over there. Put it in the holder. Look at daddy. Good job, mama. All right, that's it. It's recording. Okay. Here. You wanna grab? Look, your sister grabbed it. Put it in the bucket. Put it in the
Oh,
bucket.
come on, son.
Come on.
Come on,
You can do it.
Yeah.
You can do it better. Here, come on, it's easy. We all gonna do it with you. Come on, we all gonna do it. Hold the tail. Come on. In the middle, right there.
Grab it.
Squeeze it. You
Squeeze.
got it? The only thing he's gonna try to do is swim, but you gotta squeeze it very tightly, okay?
Okay.
We're letting it go. Squeeze it. Don't hold up there. Don't hold
No,
up there.
the spikes, puppy.
Remember the spikes up there? Don't touch on the top, just on the bottom.
Just
Okay?
grab it right here, Jerry. Move your hand up a little
Don't
bit.
touch it on the top. Don't touch it on the top. Right here, look. Right there.
There you go. Squeeze it tight. Squeeze it tight. Look,
you
look up, look up.
You got it.
That's it. Good job. Put it in there.
Go, go.
High five. High five, bro. Come on, high five.
Slime 5 right here. Slime 5. There we go.
You're out.
Good job. Thank you.
Bro, I'll give you a high five. You got
I
it.
caught
Here,
up to
here.
Goofy.
Right
Oh,
here.
just wipe your hand on your shirt, bro.
Go, Jerry. Go, Jerry. Go, Jerry.
Yellow on the way.
That's 4. That's 4. Back up.
I'm beating you. I got the. Dang it. I got one. Come on.
Good job, Jeremiah.
Shoot.
Yeah, booty. Jerry. Oh, careful, careful.
Jerry.
Hey, hey. When you lift it up, you have to focus, okay? There's hooks on that.
I need help with the bloodworm.
You guys got pictures already?
Yeah, I got it on the camera.
I got 4.
All right, guys.
Good job, Booty. Come on, reel, Bobby, reel.
Come on, Jaden.
We got him.
Reel it in.
We got a nice big one for you. Come on.
Oh. Whoa.
You got 2. You got 2.
Come on, we got 2. Come on. You got to double header. You got to move the boat now. Give him the bottom one.
All right.
Got him?
Yep.
Yeah. Thank you.